Are you looking for a 3D printer? In this video, I will show you the 5 best 3D printer based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Flashforge Adventurer 3. An intuitive UI interface provides simple operation and ease of reading to the printer's status. Ultra-quiet printing operation provides a pleasant printing experience in classrooms, homes, and offices. The build plate is leveled at the factory level. Calibration may be required. For ease of cleaning, making removal and installation of nozzle easy. Extremely quick heat up of the nozzle to 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit in 50 seconds. Making removal of printed objects hassle-free. The 4th product on the list is the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Ender 3 Pro comes with a mean-well UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. Only 10 minutes with 20 screws assembly before the first printing, simple assembly but more stable performance, win-win for fun and time. Triangle slot cooperates with Prusa I3 frame. Extremely innovative design, following the step of the trend, integrating with classic elements, create a new generation economic DIY 3D printers. Ender 3 Pro employs a new magnetic self-adhesive platform sticker rather than traditional masking tape and glue for easy model picking up, excellent adhesion, and less printing cost. The 3rd product on the list is the Prusa I3 MK3S Plus. The original Prusa I3 MK3S Plus is the latest version of our award-winning 3D printers. We have upgraded the MK3S with a brand new Super Pinda probe for improved first-layer calibration, added high-quality Misumi bearings, and various useful design tweaks to make the printer easier to assemble and maintain. The MK3S Plus includes all the proven features of the previous models, including the heat bed with removable PEI spring steel print sheets, automatic mesh bed leveling, filament sensor, power loss recovery, and safety features. And it is still as silent as ever. The 2nd product on the list is the Elega Saturn Mars 2 Pro. LEGO Mars 2 MSLA 3D printer comes with a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD that has 2K HD resolution. It is 4 times longer in lifespan and 2 times faster in printing speed than the regular RGB LCD 3D printers, which means higher printing efficiency, more stable performance, and less maintenance. The new operating system now supports 13 different languages: Chinese, English, Japanese, Dutch, Korean, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Portuguese, which significantly facilitates worldwide users to use Mars 2 more conveniently. With a green plastic tank, it adopts special engineering plastics, environmental protection, and can be degraded. According to your needs, you can replace your printer tank to extend the life of your printer. The 1st product on the list is the Dremel DG Lab 3D45. Designed for high quality and reliability, this is the engine that powers the 3D45 forward. The direct drive, the all-metal extruder, is clog resistant and delivers smooth 3D prints. This high-powered extruder heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for flexibility in different print materials. The filament runout detection resumes printing where you left off when filament runs out. The built-in automatic leveling sensor adds precision leveling for even more reliable printing. The sensor detects any variation in the print bed and automatically accounts for it for more successful printing. Improves print quality while delivering a quiet operating environment. Auto detects filament type and adjusts nozzle and build plate temperature to optimized settings. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.